In previous class, we already learned about the brief idea of performance of transmission line. Now, in today's lesson, my topic of discussion is on different types of problem regarding the performance of transmission lines, Ferenczy effect, ABCD parameters, some idea about long transmission lines, series compensator, and power circle diagram. Now, this is a problem regarding the performance of transmission line. A single phase medium transmission line 80 km long and has the following constant. Resistance per kilometer equals to 0.3125 ohms. Reactance per kilometer equals to 1 ohm. Susceptance per kilometer equals to 17.5 into 10 to the power minus 6 s. Receiving end voltage equals to 66 kV. Considering the total capacitance of the line is localized at the receiving end alone, calculate the sending end current, the sending end voltage, the sending end power factor, the regulation, the line loss, and the transmission efficiency. The line delivering 15 megawatt at 0.8 power factor lag. Now the solution. In this problem, this is the sending end, and the voltage is Vs, that is sending end voltage, and that is the receiving end, and receiving end is connected with the load side. So the sending end current is Is, sending end voltage Vs, that is the resistance, reactance, and this is the capacitance, and the voltage is VR. Now total resistance R equals to 80 into 0.315, that is 25 ohm, and the reactance X equals to 80 into 1, that is 80 ohm according to the problem, and susceptance equals to 8 into 17.5 into 10 to the power minus 6, that is equals to 14 into 10 to the power minus 4 s, and receiving end voltage VR equals to 66 kV or 66,000 volt. Now the vector diagram which is related to the problem, that is VR here, VR is the reference, and that is Is, and that is IR. The angular displacement between IR and VR is the phi r, and the voltage drop in the resistive part is IR is in phase with the current. ISR is the phase in IR, and the drop due to the reactance is 90 degree along with the current, so this angle is 90 degree, and the drop due to the resistance and reactance is called the impedance drop, which is the resultant of this drop plus this drop, that is equals to Iz, and Iz is the vector sum of ISR and ISX. Now the resultant of ISZ and VR is the Vs, because Vs is the input voltage and VR is the output voltage, and the Iz is the internal drop. So the summation of internal drop and output is the input voltage. Now the line current IR equals to 15 into 10 to the power 6 divided by 66000 into 0.8, that is equals to 284 ampere. The power factor at receiving end cos phi r equals to 0.8, so sin phi r is definitely 0.6. Now taking the receiving end voltage VR as reference phasor, we have VR equals to 66,000 into 1 plus J0 volt, and load current IR equals to 284 into 0.8 minus J6.6 ampere, and the charging current IC equals to JYVR, that is J into 0.0014 into 66000, that is equals to J 92.4 ampere. Now the sending end current Is equals to IR plus IC, that is equals to 227.2 minus J 17.170.4 plus J 92.4 ampere. Now the sending end voltage Vs equals to VR plus Is into R plus Jx. If we put in the value of these parameters, then the result is that Vs equals to 79592 at an angle 11.76 degree volt. Now the sending end power factor angle phi s equals to 11.76 degree minus of 18.94 degree, that is equals to 30.7 degree. The sending end power factor cos phi s equals to cos 30.7 degree, that is this is the angle of phi s, so that is equals to 0.86 lagging. Now the regulation formula of regulation is Vs minus Vr by Vs. Here the Vs is 79592 minus 66000 divided by 66000, that is the receiving end voltage, and this is the sending end voltage. So the answer is 20.6%. Now the line loss equals to I square R divided by 1000, and that is equals to 1442.4 kilowatt. Now the transmission efficiency is the power output divided by power output plus line losses. If you put in the value of this, then the answer is 91.23%. Now the Ferranti effect is the vital part of the power system. Now this effect play a vital role in transmission and purpose. In medium or long transmission lines, when open circuited or lightning loaded, the receiving end voltage is found more than the sending end voltage. This phenomenon of rise in voltage at receiving end of the open circuited of lighting load lines is called the Ferranti effect. This effect is due to the voltage drop across the line inductance. Due to charging current being in phase with the applied voltage at the sending end of the lines, thus both the capacitance and inductance are necessary to cause this phenomenon. The capacitance and therefore the charging current is negligible in short line, but significant in the medium and long transmission line. On a 300 kilometer line operating on 50 Hz supply, the receiving end voltage is open circuit usually the 5% higher than the sending end voltage, and these are the phasor diagram. This is the VR, and that is ICR, and this angle is VR. The angular displacement between VR and VS equals this, and this is the IC, and the angular displacement between VR and IC is 90 degree, and these are the ICX. Now the long transmission line. This is the equivalent circuit of the long transmission line, where the resistance and the reactance are connected in series, and the resistance and capacitance are connected in parallel. In this above figure shows the equivalent circuit of a 3-phase long transmission line on a phase neutral basis. The whole line is divided into n number of sections, each section having line capacitance 1/nth of those for the whole lines. The following points may be noted. These points are very vital. Point number one, the line constant are uniformly distributed over the entire length of the line. But practically the distribution is not uniform, but due to the simple calculation, we always consider the line parameters are uniformly distributed throughout the network. Next point, the resistance and inductive reactance are the series element. Next point, the leakage susceptance B and the leakage conductance G are the shunt element. So the admittance equals to root over of G square by B square. Next point, the leakage current through shunt admittance is maximum at the sending end of the line and decreases continuously as the receiving end of the circuit is approached, at which the point of the value of is 0. Now the ABCD constant. The entire power system can be simplified to a two-port network. One port is the input, another port is the output. The two-port network consists of an input port, that is PQ, and the output port is RS. Each port has two terminals to connect itself to the external circuit. Now, thus, it is essentially a two-port network or a four-terminal circuit network has some parameters, that is supply and voltage is Vs, supply and current is Is, given to the input port P and Q, and there is a receiving end, there is the receiving end, the voltage is VR and the receiving end current is IR, given the input R and S. Now ABCD parameters of the transmission line parameters are provide the link between the supply and the receiving end voltage and currents, considering the circuit element to be linear in nature. Because the elements are non-linear, we always consider this. Thus, the relation between the sending end and the receiving end specifications are given used ABCD parameters by the equation below. V equals to AVR plus BIR, that is equation 1, and IS equals to CVR plus DIR, that is equation number 2. Now the point of series compensation. What is series compensation? Series compensation is the method of improving the system voltage by connecting a capacitor in series with the transmission lines. In other words, in series compensation, the reactive power is injected in series with the transmission line for improving the impedance of the system. And the last point is the power circle diagram. What is power circle diagram? Power circle diagram drawn for either sending or receiving end of the transmission lines and do not have a common center for the voltage circle. And this circle indicates the performance of transmission lines clearly. The power x with the same semicircle we can explain the power circle diagram. There is also a possibility of confusion over the sign of reactive powers. When considering of both end, the line is estimated by means of specified separate designs. So these are the circle diagram, and this is the reference, and this line is the mod of Vs and mod of Vr divided by B, and this is the mod of A and Vr, mod of Vr square divided by mod of B, and this line is the Vr mod and I mod of IR, and this angle is the phi r, and that is Vr, and this is the W.